Hi friends, it's summer vacations. Are your kids feeling bored at home? Then I have an idea to beat their boredom. Yes, today I'm going to show you all a playway activity where you can engage your kids actively and also improve their math skills. Well, this activity will best suit for the kids of age group 7 to 10 years. Before that, I would like to ask you something. Have you observed your kids? They are always so happy, energetic and enthusiastic, right? They are always in a party mode. This energy we need to channelize in a right way. For this, you too must be happy and enthusiastic along with them. Then only this is possible. Okay, fine. Now let me show you how to engage them happily and help them learn. For this activity, we need few papers, sketch pens, sellotape and a satin ribbon. In place of satin ribbon, we can take any other suitable thing that is available at home, like jute rope or paper ribbon or anything. During holidays, kids will not be willing to study or learn, especially if it's related to their academics, right? So, this playway activity will not only keep them engaged but also help them to willingly learn. This way, you can make their holidays more productive. Here I am writing few tasks that children have to do. Don't call them as questions. Tell them these are the tasks that they have to carry out. These are some simple daily routine tasks that I am writing. Kids are always fond of activities, and these activities help them to learn the way they love to learn. You can improve their math skills in an interesting way. This can be done in your balconies or terrace or parking areas depending upon your convenience if there is no space inside the house. And you can also use a chalk piece if it's not on tiles. Also, instead of color papers, you can use normal white papers. I have not used white papers because my tiles are white and it doesn't look appealing to capture the picture. Moreover, children love colorful things. Now, this looks complete. This is a kind of maze activity where children have to walk through this, solving the tasks that they come across along the path provided before they come out of this maze. We should ask children to carry a book and pencil to solve these. The first task is to draw cash ₹500 from ATM. Here you can share some knowledge about password. Now let them write ₹500 in their books that they have with them now. Next, they go to stationery shop. The task here is to buy the storybook and crayons. Now after buying both, they have to calculate how much money is left with them. If they get stuck, you can help them indirectly by giving clues. Next task is they go to some restaurant and buy a dosa and water bottle. Let them complete the calculations and then move to the next task. Next task is to donate ₹30 to a blind person who is begging for food. Here they also learn doing some charity, inculcating values. Next task is they reach their uncle's home and uncle gives ₹200 as pocket money with love. Therefore, thank uncle and add that money to the money that is left. Next, moving to the market. Here, he needs to buy only 2 kg tomatoes and 1 kg carrots. Price per kg is mentioned. Don't help them directly to add or subtract. Just indirectly give them clues if they are stuck anywhere. Next, they reach a bakery where they need to buy a packet of bread and half-liter curd. Here, they'll come to know that liquids are measured in liters and milliliters. After completing their calculations, when they come out, just check their books. If they have done correctly, fine. Otherwise, just guide them to do it again. You can also ask children to make fake currency using paper cuttings with correct denominations. Just be with them and guide them. This way, you can create many different questions like this till they become perfect, and later You can also ask them to create one activity for you. In framing the questions also, they learn many things. It's not easy to frame questions for their level. So there's a lot of learning in framing the questions too. So allow them to make one activity for you. Now, I'm going to show an easy way of making weighing balance or weighing scale for kids to play and learn. Take two use and throw plastic containers like this of same size, and then we need to make 3 holes at equal distance on each container. So for that, I'm drawing a circle and just cutting the circle into 3 equal parts to get equal distance. You may use compass too. This is necessary to make accurate balance. Though we use digital balance everywhere now, but it's fine to know and learn this traditional way of measuring too. Taking the help of flame, I can easily make holes. Heat the nail and pierce a hole into the marked places. 3 holes on each container. Next, take some cord or any kind of thick thread that you have and then cut into 6 equal pieces of an arm's length. Children really love to play with this measuring balance. Next, after cutting, pierce 1 cord in each hole and then tie a knot like this. Spending some quality time with them, especially in their young age, is more required than spending money for them, right? Teachers do their part in schools, and at home, if we too contribute to their learning, then it's altogether like giving a strong foundation for them, right? Now, holding all the 3 cords properly, then tying them to a plastic hanger that we use to hang the clothes, and also fixing it with a cello tape so that it doesn't move from that corner. Same way, now tying the other container to the other corner of the plastic hanger and sticking cello tape to keep it in place. Yes, here it is, the weighing balance ready. Now I'm using these stones or pebbles for weights. According to their size, I'm writing kilograms and grams over them. 1 kg, 500 grams, 250 grams and 100 grams. If you don't have stones, you can even use potatoes for this. Like big potato 1 kg, medium 500 grams, smaller one 250 grams and so on. Now I have few groundnuts here. Now let me weigh half kg or 500 grams of groundnuts. Here, children also learn that 500 grams means half kg, 250 grams means quarter kg while playing this. We need to hold the balance in a right way to measure. I have placed 500 grams in one container and adding groundnuts in the other container till both stand equal. Now I am removing 500 grams weight and placing 1 kg. So the weight is more than groundnuts. So like this, by playing, they learn a lot. You can give some vegetables, fruits or any suitable thing available at home to weigh and learn for your kids. You can even arrange a market kind of thing for them. Also learn buying or selling with fake currency. They never know that they are learning something by playing. So by doing these activities, children learn few things like cash, money, currency all mean same. And you can also ask them to Google and find out what is the full form of ATM. And for 3rd and 4th grade kids, you can include some multiplication and division sums along with them. And increase the difficulty level according to their capability. You can also add more life to this game by making it little bit more real. Like when it comes to the bank, you can use some fake card that is available at home and ask them to use it as ATM card. And in the restaurant place, you can really pack some snacks that is available at home and keep one water bottle along with that. So they'll eat and pay the bill there. And then when they next move to the uncle's home, if you have some toy house or a toy person, you just can place there. Next, in the marketplace, you can keep some real vegetables and a bag so that they will buy that vegetables, put it in the bag and come. So like this. make it more interesting. And in the next activity, they learn about kilograms, grams, which is more, which is less, how many grams make 1 kilogram, and so on. Only thing is, you have to become a child along with them. I mean, you have to come down to their level, think like them. So like this, you can boost their math skills and also make their holidays more productive and enjoyable. Now, I'm going to show you some nice simple snacks that your children love to eat. That is cherry tomato salad, where children also love eating cherry tomatoes. Taking around 10 to 12 cherry tomatoes and just cutting each into half. These tomatoes provide us many vitamins and minerals and particularly rich in antioxidants when compared to normal tomatoes. Next, washing and adding a handful of mint leaves, also called pudina leaves, chopping them and adding. Next, some coriander leaves, little salt to taste. Next, a pinch of sugar. Cherry tomatoes are already a bit sweet, so just a pinch of sugar, and then a spoon of olive oil, then 2 pinches pepper powder, then 1 spoon vinegar. Here I am adding apple cider vinegar as I have that. Mix well and enjoy the cherry tomato salad. Sitting on a swing in the balcony is a real harmony. Thank you for watching. If you need more activities for kids, please do let me know in the comment box. Thank you and stay tuned.